In this video, I'm going to show you how to add notes on Instagram Reels or posts. This is a cool new feature on Instagram. It's pretty easy. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. Simply open up the Instagram app and tap on the Reels icon on the bottom of the screen and find a reel you would like to leave a note on. Now let's say you want to leave a note on this reel. You see this one has an add a note option on the very left. Now you have the option to share the note with followers you follow back or just friends in the close friends list. Choose whatever you prefer. Now, if you would like to enable or disable the note feature on your own Reels or posts, head back to the Instagram homepage, tap on a profile icon on the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down and select sharing and reuse. And there is an option, as it states, allow people to add notes to your content. Simply toggle this on or off as desired. I hope this helps, and if it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out.